From Photoshop or Bridge, open the 08start.psd file. The image includes two layers, the background layer and a template layer named Path Guide that you will trace to draw the path. Choose File, Save As, then rename the file 08working.psd and click Save. If the Photoshop Format Options dialog box appears, click OK. Select the Pen tool, and then, in the Options bar, choose Path from the Tool Mode pop-up menu. Because Path is now selected in the Options bar instead of Shape, what you see when you draw will be different than in the practice exercise. You'll be drawing a path, not a shape. The path you draw will appear as a temporary work path in the Paths panel, and a shape layer won't be created. The reason you're switching to a path is because you won't need to print or export the path you're about to draw. You'll be creating a mask from the path, so the path itself doesn't need to be a visible part of the final document. With the pen tool selected, click point A. A new temporary work path appears in the Paths panel. Then click point B and drag to the open circle on the right to create the initial curve. Click point C and drag to the open circle to its right. Continue tracing the orange, clicking and dragging curve segments for points D through F. Then click point G. Do not drag. This creates the corner point at point G. At points H and I, click and drag to their corresponding open circles to create their curved segments. Click point J to create a corner. Hold down Shift to create a perfectly level segment as you click point K. At points L, M, and N, click and drag to their corresponding open circles to create their curved segments. Position the pointer over point A, and when you see a small circle by the pen tool pointer, click to close the path. The circle indicates that the pointer is close enough to close the path. Evaluate your path. If you want to adjust any segments, do step 15. Otherwise, skip to step 16. When you're done, leave the path selected and save your work so far.